Check this out. This is where I am. Oh yeah, look at that dreary ass weather. So, you want another Japanese lesson? Alright, here's what I got. So yeah, my friend sent me an email this morning, and they said, Ame ga futte kita. Ame ga futte kita. Ame ga futte kita. So ame means rain. Furu means to fall. So ame ga furu means to rain. And then since you're connecting two verbs, furu and kuru, you use a te form. So you say futte kita. And it's like the rain has come, but that's not natural English. So we would say it's started raining. So if you want to say it's started raining in Japanese, ame ga futte kita. Alright guys, that's all I got for you. And frankly, I'm getting bored. Go fuck off somewhere.